Okay guys, welcome to next session, different network part 2. Before starting this lecture, we discussed about what did we taught in the different network part 1. In the previous lecture, we discussed about what is blockchain, how many type of blockchain, and also we discussed in previous lecture a different network in crypto space. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss different network part 2. In this lecture we will discuss how to recover crypto transfer to wrong network, and also we will discuss in this different decentralized exchanges that support different network. Due to the irreversible nature of cryptocurrency protocols, a transaction cannot be cancelled or reversed once initiated. So if you send fund to the wrong address, you will need to contact the receiving party and ask for their cooperation in returning the fund. If you don't know the owner of address where you send funds, so there are no possible action you can take to retrieve the funds. So because of this nature, it is essentially to exercise caution when sending and make sure the address you are sending it to is an exact match of the recipient address. So it's so let's guys see it's a second point here. How to recover token when sending to the wrong network. So just I told you it's a very difficult if we don't know the owner of the recipient address. So sending cryptocurrencies to the wrong network is one of the most common problem in the cryptocurrency community. This mistake is often made by user of Ethereum Classic, Binance Chain, Polygon, or etc. blockchains users. Due to their similar address formats, you found yourself in such situations, so don't worry about that. So there is still a chance that you will retrieve your fund back. So guys, before proceeding further, we also discuss the difference between different blockchains. So here we are going to discuss Ethereum Classic, Binance Chain, and Polygon. Yeah, so same difference between all the blockchains here. All these different network are standard token that have specific rules and technical guidelines for the token. They govern how transaction happen, how deposit and withdraw are made. All different network standardize how token interact with different wallets, project and smart contracts. So let's see here what's Ethereum blockchain. So we are not going to discuss in broadly here, just we are briefly discussing. So Ethereum blockchain is a platform for creating a decentralized application based on a smart contract. Just like Ethereum Classic, it's a fork of original Ethereum platform. So Ethereum and Ethereum Classic fork was in 2016. Binance Smart Chain is own blockchain compatible with Ethereum blockchain. So as well as we discuss also Polygon network blockchain models after Ethereum network to address its scalability. So Polygon is solving the scalability of the Ethereum. We will broadly discuss in upcoming what is scalability, and so let's focus on the today's topic. The main feature of these blockchains is that they have the same address format, so and access to them is carried out by using a single private key. So because of this, cryptocurrency users sometimes make mistake and send their coin to the or another network. The user can make a similar mistake in different cases when selecting a network while sending or receiving fund. So let's consider this situation and their possible solution in this class. So first one is I have sent fund to the wrong network, what to do? So it will arise in your mind that what will you do. You sometimes worry about the thing that you send and you don't sleep. You don't sleep all night and search everything on Google. So how can you retrieve your fund you that sent by mistaken? So guys, so first of all, you don't panic about this thing. What we can do best possible solution here we will discuss. So if you send just for example here, you can see here, if you send ERC20 token, ERC20 tokens are all those built on or created on Ethereum mainnet blockchain, just like Ethereum, Polygon, Ethereum Classic, using a Binance Smart Chain, or send Binance Smart tokens to the Ethereum network. So you should be able to retrieve them. So there are three different situations, and each with its own solution. So let's start in this session. What will be the three situation and what will be the best solution? Okay. So first one situation is you send the token to multi blockchain wallet. So wallet support multi blockchain, just like Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet. So you can send the token back to the current network from multi blockchain wallet. In this case, you need to have private key or phrase word to access the wallet. So in this case, you don't worry about the thing. Okay guys, take one example here. So you send BNB. Okay guys, just give you the live example of this. Okay guys, see here. So guys, just I have opened Binance exchange, and other side I open a KU coin exchange. So guys, think. Okay guys, I want to withdraw. Okay guys, I want to withdraw from KU coin to the Binance exchange. In this situation, what will I do mistake? Guys, let's see here. So in this, you send BNB chain token to Ethereum blockchains. What you hold private key of that wallet. Okay. So here, guys, this is the let's see what we can do. Okay guys. Okay, just I open a metamask wallet that I hold a private key of that wallet. Yeah, I have also Binance wallet. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, so we start. We don't have to waste time. Okay, so uh, just in as example, we are holding a private key of a wallet. So in this case, if we send on any blockchain, we can retrieve, we can get back that fund to on the right blockchain. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so guys, this is the my wallet. So you can see here, this is I opened metamask wallet. So here you can see this is the address, guys. This is the address. So this address for all blockchain, keep in mind this address for all blockchains. So if you send fund on this address, at this address, okay, I click this and I go to and centralize exchange. And I want to withdraw fund from any centralized exchange to my metamask wallet or metamask wallet. MetaMask, I hold private key of phrase word of metamask wallet. So what can I make mistake while withdrawing a fund? Okay, so okay guys, so let's I want to withdraw BNB from. Okay, so in this case, you keep in mind, if you hold a private key, you can easily import your wallet. Okay guys, so next will be this case, recovering from custodial wallet or exchanges wallet. In this case, it depend on the exchange customer service. but most of the private exchange holder centralized don't return your fund because they warn us before withdrawing or sending. They warn us if you choose wrong network, your fund will be lost. If they genuinely help, the customer will definitely receive their fund. So guys, if you send to wrong network of another exchange and if you attempt to withdraw your fund to Custodial Wallet, Custodial Wallet is a wallet that we don't have a private or private phrase words, so we don't have ownership of that wallet. So for example, Binance exchange and KuCoin, Huawei, OKS, Coinbase, Kraken, the all exchanges wallet are Custodial Wallet where our fund is in their custody. So or non-custodial wallet are that we hold a private key, a private phrase where we have the ownership of that wallet, so that's a non-custodial wallet. Such as another crypto exchange. So you will know to contact the wallet's custodial holders. Sometimes custodial wallet providers may help help you with some charging fee or allow you access to your private key. So you can then import the private key into the supporting wallet. Most of including exchange will unfortunately don't help in these cases. Binance totally provided in this cases, or most of the exchanges totally, but some exchanges they have some good sympathy for the investor or traders, they help in this case. So what will be my my suggestion for in this case, if you withdraw from one centralized exchange to another centralized exchange, so keep in mind to choose right network. Okay, so in this case, so see here, let's see here, just I want to withdraw. Okay, BNB. Okay guys, as soon as I click on BNB, you can see here I have to enter my address where I want to send my fund, and after this we have to choose network, select network. So guys, keep in mind while withdrawing, so everything is here, instruction already written here, ensure the network matches the addresses network enter to avoid withdrawal losses. So everything is pre-written here, they warn us. So if I want to withdraw on Binance Smart Chain, I will click on this. So perfectly here once again they warn us the network you selected is BSC. Please confirm that your withdrawal address support the BNB Smart Chain network. If the other platform doesn't support it, your asset may be lost. So if you are not sure whether the receiver support it, you can click the button below to verify it yourself. So guys, so they already care about the customer, they warn us on place to place. So just I am sure that this the other wallet also support the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so they already so in the previous, most of the investor and traders mistakenly do mistake, but I don't think so. We are teaching you guys because of, if in future you will not commit such type of mistake, otherwise you will lose your fund. So that's why this Evolve Club classes on regular basis to aware the all the evos or apps and students, so they will not do mistake in future. So everything is okay. So here I want to deposit here. Okay. so so just I want to deposit here, click on BNB. Okay, so let's see. So from Binance exchange to okay, so here see here uh, so I continue. Guys, so already KuCoin also notices, please specify both memo and address to deposit Binance mainnet token to your coin. So okay, so guys see here, so here already is a BNB Binance chain. It's not a Binance smart chain, it's a Binance chain. It's a native Binance chain. So or here I am withdrawing here I am withdrawing to Binance smart chain. So you can see here, so this address have this is a Binance chain native token address. Okay, and this is the memo code. So guys, what, okay, I click this and put here. Okay guys, see here what is this is the network you choose support memo. If the deposit platform require you to fill in the memo, please fill it in correctly. Missing or wrong filling of memo may cause a loss of funds. So I confirm it. So so see here, so one is automatically or their software helping the investor with. Okay, so if I fill, what did you notice here guys, I filled here, so you noticed I select from KuCoin is Binance chain native token address. Okay, and in previous one I choose a Binance smart chain, but as soon as I fill the address of Binance native token, Binance native chain, and this network automatically changed to BNB Web2 backend chain. Okay, guys, if I choose okay, so don't worry about this. So exchange is this is a world class exchange, so it's have high feature. So I will recommend you use this exchange where you will not lose fund in any cases. If you try to mistake intentionally, you will not do intentionally mistake here. Okay, so next, if I choose, yeah, I choose Binance smart chain, yeah, address will be different one. So here is okay, so I choose, I want to deposit on Binance smart chain, so address is this 4. Okay, I click on this. Okay, I will see here. So right now network is BNB Web2, so backend chain. So, now I will, this time I'm withdrawing on Binance chain. So you can see that the network automatically so Binance smart chain. Okay guys, so everything is fine in this case. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, a third case is you send the token to wallet that support one blockchain network. Okay, so in this case, which wallet support one blockchain network at the one time? Okay, so in this you will have to add network manually. For example, metamask support only one blockchain network at a one time. You have to select manually. If you don't know how to add network, so in this I will also teach you how can you add network. So see here, how can you add. Okay, let's see how we can add network. If you mistakenly send on a wallet on an address where only one time that wallet support one network. So guys, you can see here, I opened a metamask wallet. Here you can see this is right now on Ethereum mainnet. So if I send here Ethereum classic, so Ethereum classic and BNB, so it is chain I also added here BNB smart chain also. So here is the option where we have to add network. So I will click here on add network. So see here how we can add address. Okay, just I open a next tab. So just I want to okay, I want to add some other network. You can see just I want to add okay, so okay, I want to add harmony mainnet. Okay, so what will I do in this case? If we have to write the network name, so just a harmony network. So a new RPC URL. So I will copy this. You can find all this information on Google. I whatever. Okay, so okay, so you can add just previously I have Ethereum BNB ETC chain. Now Harmony network is added, so you can manually add many network. If you send mistakenly on this address any cryptocurrency on this address of metamask, okay, so don't worry about the third case. Okay, so these are standard managed MetaMask network that support AVAX, BNB, Phantom, Ethereum Classic, Polygon, Moonriver, POA, OKT, OKX Chain, ST, Huawei Pro 1. Okay. Okay. KCC chain, KUCon chain. So Binance MetaMask support most of the blockchain network. So if you send on this address that where you have private key, so that don't worry about the problem. So you can access your fund. Okay. So next one is wrong tag or memo code. So in this case you will keep in mind tag or memo code. Most of the exchange automatically will not allow withdraw if you didn't fill tag or memo code. They warn you just fill your memo code. Just recently I in this case, if we want to withdraw, okay, if we want to withdraw on, okay, just remove this address. Okay, I want to withdraw on BNB native chain. It's a, okay, so here they warn us the network you choose support memo. If the deposit platform require you to fill in the memo, please fill it in correctly. Missing or wrong filling of memo may cause loss of your assets. So so already warned while withdrawing fund. Okay, in this case, okay, if we want to deposit on KU coin, so this is the native. So this is a Binance Smart. So this is a native chain token. Okay, so it also warns us. So this is the address and this is your memo code. So you have to fill both. Okay, just like enter address, and this is the confirm the receiving address. So while withdrawing from centralized exchange to centralized exchange, please fill the memo code, otherwise you fund will be lost. If you will withdraw or from centralized exchange to your metamask or trust wallet, you don't need to fill this because you have the ownership of that wallet, metamask or trust wallet or pocket token. There are lots of non-custodial wallet, so where you don't need to put this memo code. But if we withdraw from centralized exchange, you have to put this, while your fund will be lost. So in this case, this is optional, so you can withdraw without this also, but KuCoin will not allow. KuCoin will on the KuCoin exchange, your fund will be not received because you didn't fill memo. So keep in mind while withdrawing from centralized exchange to centralized exchange. So guys, next move next. Okay guys, so last one is very important. DEX, decentralized exchanges that support different network. So okay, you know that Uniswap exchanges support Ethereum blockchain projects, PancakeSwap support BNB network projects, TraderZoe support Avalanche network, QuickSwap support Polygon network, TerraSwap support Terra Luna network, DYDX support Ethereum network, SpookySwap support Phantom Opera network, because these are emerging blockchains. So these are the supporting exchanges that support these blockchains projects. So Kind protocol support BSC chain project, as well as Ethereum network projects. Maya exchange Anode Gold network, Radium supports Solana blockchain, Injective Pro Cosmos, as well as Ethereum network project. Waves exchange support Waves network, Osmosis support Cosmos network, MyTrade and Token Pocket support Hiko chain. It's a Huawei native chain. Coffee shop support KuCoin chain network project. So all these can find here guys, all these things. This is the CoinGecko. You will see here exchanges. You will click on DEX. You can find all DEX exchanges here. Okay, so because why these exchanges are important? Because these blockchains are emerging blockchains. They will do definitely in futures good, and these supporting exit. If you want to swap any coin, if you want to swap, if you have a Solana blockchain projects that you buy from any centralized exchange, but you want to swap on a decentralized exchange, so you will choose Radium and you will connect with your metamask or trust wallet Radium exchange, and you can swap your Solana blockchain project token. Okay guys, you can see here all these things. These are the top decentralized exchanges. As you can see here, Uniswap. Yeah, most of the information available here. This Uniswap V3 24-hour volume 1.6 billion, number of coin 464, number of pair. Yeah, visit. Yeah, you can see most traded pair USDC. You can see here the percentage, you can say the percentage share market by volume 33% in all decentralized exchange. This percentage show the all decentralization. This percentage out of all decentralization volume. You can see here Serum, DAX, Pancake Swap, just a number of coin 4,556, number of coin listed on Pancake Swap, Astropod, Uniswap, Spooky Swap, Curve Finance. These are all, you can see all the information with detail. You can see, you can also find the gem and solid project from all these after the searching or hard work. You can, if you really want to invest for a long term, you have to give some time to understand all these things, and research on good project will definitely give you huge gain in upcoming future, in upcoming times. Okay, so you can see all this, but choose that exchange have good volume. I will not recommend any exchange, decentralized exchange, that don't have volume. There are lots of shitcoin available decentralized exchange. There are this, you can see here, you can see Planet Finance just 2.7k volume. So don't put your money in a less volume decentralized exchanges. So just trade on with a high volume exchanges, and apart from this, just trade trade with the good volume token on decentralized exchanges. Otherwise you will be strict for a long time. You have to wait until or unless you have to wait till the volume of that particular increase. So keep in mind all this thing. Okay, so so guys, so last my words for you, that on that, while transferring from on centralized exchange to centralized, keep in mind, choose right network, otherwise you will lose fund. These all exchanges customer service not not good in the case of if you choose wrong network. But if you withdraw from centralized exchange to your ownership wallet, where you have private key or phrase word, you will access your fund. So so my last word, if you send from wrong network from centralized exchange to centralized, just contact the support, contact the customer service. If they just mail them and talk to in the social media platform, just tag on Twitter, wherever possible, just and mail them. If they really think about for the traders or investor, they definitely help you just in this case. But keep in mind, before choosing a wrong network, you will lose your fund. So guys, so this session for only information purpose. Thank you. Okay guys, see you in the next